Fishing for chums here in the Colonial River. This is my fourth one on in the last half hour. Only beached one of them. The other two shook the hook. The one I had played for a good 10 minutes when it spat the hook. I've had this one here on now for 2 or 3 minutes. Boy, these are so strong. I'm using a number 8 weight rod with a wet tip. Oh, strong fish. This is so much fun. Yeehaw! And moose hunting season next week, so life is good. Arm is just getting tired. Keep them away from this tree. It's going to get me tangled in the roots here and they'll be gone. Oh gosh, I got company on the other side of the river. Right there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on. This isn't even a big fish. It's maybe 10, 12 pounds. I can't get this thing dragged in. It's just, I've got a 15-pound leader on there. Oh, gosh. There he comes. Okay, good. Oh. I'll get this up, put the camera down, I'll let this guy go. Well, I underestimated the size of this fish is up in the teens, well into it. I'll just bring it in here and revive it. Come on, girl. Come on. There you go. There you go. Tired and none the worse for wear. Wow. Strong fish. Bring another salmon here, going to make this my last one for the day. Time to go home for dinner. These have all been really powerful fish. A lot of fun to play. Bugger me, this is tough. It's not an easy life we live here in Vancouver Island, I'll tell you. Yeah, it's a tough life. Just landed this beauty after at least 10 minutes of playing, 10-15